Hey, Miss Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to...
Chose to stay, big mistake. Play the game, should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not possible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. If you are you lonely. If you are you lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. Lonely. You don't even know. I leave you lonely. Found out through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. If you are you lonely. If you are you lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. Lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely.
Hey, Miss Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to major distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you cover your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you're taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Really been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own. I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32 bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you Sis and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm coming.
So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm hurt. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You know what I'm saying. Still trying to come back when you think. I always wanted to but it's that I don't see. You got something real not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You try and come back when you're famous.
I received a PR package and I thought before opening it I should open it with you guys here on the vlog. So it's from Baby Soft. That's how the packaging looks like. It comes like that, and I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna open this, I'm gonna open with you guys because I received so many PR packages that I never feature them here on YouTube. So inside we have this is like the letter, like the instructions on what we are supposed to do and what we are not supposed to do. Everything is in here. And then you have the knot from Baby Soft. So you're actually supposed to fill this up and I don't know, submit it. I don't know what for. It's there in the package. And then we have a shower cap which comes in and it has the label. How cute is this? Just how cute is the shower gel, and it looks like of very good quality. Like, yay, I'm so happy. And then we have what is this? I think this is a face towel. Oh wow. And this product, they smell so good. I think this is some kind of like a face cloth for your face. Oh, this is really good. I didn't have anything to bath with, so I'm gonna use that. This is really good and it's so soft. Wow. And then we have the wipes, which is the main campaign, the main project. Filling wipes. This one is packed like this. It's packed like that. Okay, are we supposed to remove this? I'm sure we are. So this is Baby Soft Fresh White Moist Toilet Clean. So these wipes, these are like tissues. You can actually, we all know that wipes, you're not supposed to flush them, right? But with these ones, they are flushable. You can flush them in the toilet. How nice. So this one looks like that. And it smells so good. Like I can just smell them before I even open them. Oh, this smells so good. So there's one, there is two, I think it's the same thing, 2 and 3. Fresh white. I think it's just one of the same thing. So they give us 3 of them. They're supposed to do campaign for this one for Instagram, and then they give us a little bonus, a little thingy bonus like that. So in here you have your shampoo, you have your, what is this, you have your body wash, and then you have a mouthwash. How did they know that I don't have a mouthwash right now? I left mine at home. So we got that as, I think this is just like a bonus. It's a bonus or a gift or something, because it's not in the campaign. The campaign is just mainly for the wipes. It's not in the campaign. So this is the body wash. I'm gonna use it tonight. And this is the shampoo. It's just some little containers. How many grams? They're all 50 mils. And then you have the mouthwash as well, which is 50 mils if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so guys, I just wanted to share with you guys the campaign stuff. And then I am just coming from Food Lovers Market. Actually, I wanted to go and just buy a soap because I forgot my first soap, which is Gentle Magic. And then I ended up, you know, as women, you end up buying everything. So I'm coming from Food Lovers Market. And I bought a drink which I already poured and drank. We have a drink there, and then I have some apples. I got me some apples, and then I have a chocolate. I'm actually craving a chocolate. I don't know why these days I'm like craving sweet things. I don't know what's happening. And then I got myself a bread. If it's not Blue Ribbon, I'm not having it. I got Blue Ribbon. I got an avocado for the eggs. Yeah, for the bread. And then I got eggs, 6 eggs only. I think we'll go like grocery shopping month end. We got 6 eggs here. I'm just gonna push us until month end. And then I went to Pep and I bought my Gentle Magic soap. This was 15 rand. I thought it's 10 rand, but to my surprise it's 15 rand, 14.99. So it's just 15 rand. And then me, the sweet tooth that I have these days, I don't know where it's coming from. And then I went to Food Lovers Market. I got this from Food Lovers Market. These are donuts. So 4 donuts for 31 rand. 32 rand for 4 donuts. And I am so like, guys, I cannot wait to have this, and I'm not even gonna wait what's happening here. And I'm not even gonna wait. Like, I have a time whereby I crave for donuts or I crave for cake. Like, I'll just go wherever I have to go to get them. So when I saw this donut, I was like, yay, finally. How does this thing open? Oh, okay. Finally. So here they are. So you have the chocolate one, you have the I don't know what that, strawberry, and the plain one. So let me try out this one. It's a strawberry one. This actually does taste very good. Let me indulge, guys. I'll talk to you when I'm doing something else.
Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA. So I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe. Safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes.
How can we eat grass in a pizza, babe?
Surprise what you can eat.
I can eat broccoli. I can eat cauliflower.
You'll be surprised what we can eat.
I can eat lettuce. But that reminds me of my grandma. Like, it reminds me of the village. There's a certain grass that looks exactly like that. And it's not eatable.
So, I don't know what different what you eat. This is eatable. Rockets.
What are we? Was that aromat? Which aromat is this, babe?
It's the puff. It's the normal one.
Oh, the seasoning.
I'm getting impatient. Look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Gotta hold the sheet, don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We don't know what's wrong, but you're still coming on. Even when you're gone, just goes on. Leave it alone, but you're still getting close. So we both know what's wrong. Can't keep this All that's going on, put it in the song.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can call my own. Tell me that it's true, what you wanna do. You can be my bitch, I do home. You can give me Instagram, baby, I do know what you wanna do. Promise me and
So guys, we're gonna end the vlog here. I'm sorry I did not share the final dish of what the man was making, because he said he didn't like how it came out. So he's gonna make it maybe in the next vlog and I'll share with you guys. I'm so sorry for that. And a little life update, guys. I'm on the hunt for a house, actually, for a house to stay in. Where we are currently staying right now, it's the room is so small. Like, the room is really small, and it doesn't feel like home, the place that we are. So I'm actually on the hunt for a house, and it's so exhausting, guys. It's exhausting. It's taking all of my energy, it's taking all of my everything. Like, I can't even sleep peacefully, guys. I can't even sleep peacefully, guys. Moving in, moving out, looking for houses, it's not for the weak. It's not for the weak, guys. So actually, I'm on the hunt for a house, and I've been to a few houses, and most of them I don't like them. So just in case you guys see us in a new place in the next vlog, or just in case you see me moving, because most of the time these days I'm creating videos that I don't talk, just giving you guys an update, because I don't like talking too much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nothing vlog. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please do subscribe, do like, do comment, do share your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care of yourselves and be nice and be loving, be a good human being. Bye.